Ever heard of Activision Blizzard? If not, you've heard of the game Call of Duty, right? 250 million people play it every year. It's hands down one of the most popular video games ever made. Call of Duty is made by programmers who work for Activision Blizzard, and they recently voted to form a union. These employees work at a studio in Wisconsin, a heavy right-to-work state, and the news is making headlines across the US. It's part of a growing trend among young Americans, like those at Amazon Warehouse in Staten Island, New York, an Apple Store, and more than 58 Starbucks locations. Unions help to protect workers' rights and give a collective voice to otherwise individual workers. And we're seeing it firsthand across our jurisdiction. This isn't anything we as members of IBEW 47 don't already know, but for all the talk of the labor movement dying out, if you cut through the noise, it's clear to see unionism is alive and well. Stay safe out there, brothers and sisters, and rest easy knowing the opportunities we provide to workers of all ages, all races, ethnicities, and backgrounds simply cannot be beat. And if you play Call of Duty, know that it's made by union men and women. I'm Colin Lavin, business manager of IBEW Local 47. Let's get to work.